There were white folks that was advising Dr. King. I'm using him as an example. There were white folks advising Dr. King, invested in Dr. King. White lawyers were invested. Thurgood Marshall, when it was a case of a black man supposed to do something to a black woman, and the judge said, no, you cannot speak. So he had to go get a white lawyer, and a white lawyer had to use him being a lawyer and also his privilege. He was able to speak, and Thurgood Marshall couldn't talk, but that white lawyer was able to talk. So Thurgood Marshall was preparing him to talk, and that white lawyer, don't know his name, you can Google this. He now, I don't know if he's still breathing, but he was able to get into civil rights because he pretty much did injury law. When he was injured, he did injuries and all of that, that type of law. He wasn't a civil rights lawyer. But my point is, it wasn't just black folks. It was white folks too. The Underground Railroad, there was some white folks that opened up their houses, had secret areas in their attics or in their basements or out there in the fields that were hid. The folks that was enslaved, because we like saying that word enslaved, they was able to hide it. And them white folks were able to use their privilege, and some of them was caught.